Hello everyone, I'm going to make some earrings today. These are really simple. Now I'm going to be using these, which are earring pads. These are 12mm. These are silver plated. They are available in lots of different sizes. I have from 4mm to 12mm on the website, which I'll link below for you. On the website you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. And I've got these resin cabochons. That's a lovely cornflower blue. Some glue, obviously some earring backs. This tutorial is ideal for complete beginners. You just simply need a dab of glue. Let me just quickly show you what I do. Okay, my glue has run out, so I'm going to use this one, B7000. It's really good. Got a little nozzle on the end, and this stops it drying up. Just do that. B7000, but it's very strong, so open a window when using it, otherwise you'll be high as a kite. So what I'm going to do is glue the backs of these, then just simply pop them on top. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete beginner. Try and get it level. You can, if you wanted to, you can use smaller ones, but I'm going to use these. These are also available in stainless steel and gold, I forgot to say. If you don't like silver, I like silver. So I'm just going to put a small amount there, blob. There we go, blob. Just do one at a time. Just wipe that on there. Okay, I'll just pop that on. Right, there's that one. And we've got these sunflowers. Great for the summer. Another blob. Blob. Just going to wipe that one as well. Put that on. Cornflower blue. I sell lots of these. Cornflower blue. Very popular colour. I had a lovely weekend. On Saturday we went to a place called Keeper's Pond. I've got a video I'll link for you if you want to have a look. And it was lovely. Got a bit lost and a bit muddy, but it was great to be out. It was beautiful views. So good to get out. Don't know why, but my anxiety has been playing up a little bit, and I don't know why. I think I've been doing a bit too much lately. So there's those. But I'll let them dry and then I'll come back and show you when they're already done. So thank you for watching. Take care and happy crafting.